Did you know you can quickly open accessibility feature by pressing and holding the volume button? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you choose exactly which accessibility feature are assigned to the shortcut. Let me show you how. First, open setting, scroll down and tap accessibility. Tap accessibility shortcut. Tap volume up and down button. Here you will see all the accessibility features that can use this shortcut. Simply check the feature you'd like to add or uncheck any you no longer need. For this example, let's enable magnifier. Now press and hold the volume up and down button together for about 3 seconds. Because magnifier is the only feature assigned in this example, it opens immediately. Now you can use magnifier to zoom in on a small text, labels, or other objects that are difficult to see. When you are finished, simply close magnifier. And that's how to customize the volume button accessibility shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.